Hello friends, Namaste. So welcome to day 26 of our exciting AI journey. Today we'll be talking about conversational AI and chatbots. So please do watch this video till end. And if you have any doubts, please do put in comments. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel AI Code Gyan, please do subscribe to our channel AI Code Gyan and do hit the like button. Thank you. Let's start. Hello friends, today let us talk about chatbots and conversational AI and how do they work. So let us start with the introduction. You might have heard the buzzword about ChatGPT. So let us see how do chatbots and ChatGPT hold a conversation. Let's break it down. Chatbots and conversational AI systems have become integral to modern digital interactions, powering everything from customer service to virtual assistants. So we are going to explore how the fundamental architecture of modern chatbots look like, how the different types of chatbot technologies, step-by-step guides to building your own chatbots, current trends and future directions. Now, let us talk about the architecture, how chatbots works. So basically, we have the user input. The user sends a message through an interface. It can be a website, app, or messaging platform. And the next process is NLU, which is very popular, natural language understanding. So AI identifies user intent and extracts relevant entities from the message. So basically, whatever is the relevant entities from the message that is extracted as per NLU. And we have a dialog manager. System detects conversation context and manages the conversation state. And next is NLG. So like there's NLP, there's NLU, and we have NLG, which means language generation, which is the fourth step. AI formulates an appropriate response based on the understanding and context. And the next one is response, output. So response returned to the user through the interface. Now let us see which type of chatbots are popular. We have rule-based chatbots which follow predefined rules and recent trees, which operate on if or then logic, limited in handling unexpected inputs, easier to implement but less flexible. Example, basic customer service bots, FAQ bots. And we have AI-based chatbots which use ML and NLP to understand user intent, which can handle variations in language. They learn from interactions over time. They're more complex to implement but more capable. For example, ChatGPT, Google Bar, and Cloud. And third one are hybrid chatbots. Combine rule-based logic with AI capabilities, use rules for common scenarios, leverage AI for complex queries, balance reliability with flexibility. For example, enterprise customer support systems. Now let us start with how to build a chatbot with Dialogflow. So I am going to cover the building chatbot with ChatGPT in a different video. Before that, please do cover this. So let us talk about setting up Dialogflow. So first we'll go to Dialogflow console. We'll sign it with Google account. So let us start. A new agent, weather check, and we have the timing, local timing. We'll get a new project here. Language we have set as English, and the next will be let it get saved. Yeah, so now we can create a new intent. Check weather intent. This is highly essential for training of the chatbot. So let us add the training process. So we are going to add the phrases which are very common for weather queries, weather related queries. So very common, it's very common query. What's the weather like in Delhi? Next one is how's the weather today? Some may ask like, will it rain tomorrow? Next can be whether it will be a sunny day. Be sunny outside. And now let us go to entities. So we need to create new entities. Let us save this, and now let us go back to responses. Go to check for the intent. And we are going to give the responsive. First response, it's sunny and 30 degrees Celsius. Second will be the weather location, dollar location on date is the time to test this chatbot. So we'll start with how is the weather today. It's sunny and 30. So there's some issue with it. So what we are going to do, we are going to make it caps. So here we don't have location, so we can now give the location. What's the weather like in Delhi? So there is some issue with this. Let us see. Search what is weather in Delhi. It will give it sunny and 30 degrees Celsius in Delhi. And you can give, suppose we add one more response, how it is sunny and cozy weather. So now how's the weather today? So there's no location, it is giving, it is search what is weather in Delhi. It will give it sunny and 30 degrees Celsius in Delhi. And can give, suppose we add one more response, how it is sunny, and so basically we can see whatever we train that will be working. So now let us hit it again. Yeah, so yeah, we are not, we can add one more here. So that's what drawback is. We need to train it more and more. Not an issue. So suppose we search about what's the weather in New York. So again it will give the answer. Weather is expected to be cloudy with a chance of rain. So what's the weather in Tokyo? So we can add these as well. Now we can also deploy it on a website. So we need to go to web demo and we need to copy this iframe code. Also we can connect it to a backend using webhook URL. We need to go to section of fulfillment and enable the webhook call. So let us compare with ChatGPT API versus Dialogflow. So while ChatGPT OpenAI API is a type of generative API, Dialogflow uses intent-based NLP. So, and when we talk about training, it is pre-trained NLM, which is also get a generator pre-trained transformer, and we have Dialogflow, which defines intents and training phases. Customization with system prompts with UI and webhooks. Context handling, maintaining memory natively requires manual context management. So which is little time intensive. Or pricing, token based pricing, which is starting at 0.01 per 1k tokens, whereas Dialogflow is free tier with 7.5 million messages per month, paid plans available. Integration, it requires custom code, whereas Dialogflow is pre-built integrations with many platforms. Use cases, it is open-ended conversations, complex reasoning, whereas Dialogflow is task and dialogue specific workflows. Let us talk about when to choose each one of them. We use OpenAI API when you need versatile human-like conversations with minimal training. We use Dialogflow when you need a structured chatbot with processes control over conversation flows, especially for business processes. We consider a hybrid approach to complex applications using Dialogflow. Now, let us talk about the current trends in conversational AI. Now it is 2025. So we have multimodal conversation, integration of text, voice, images, and video and single conversation flows. It is more like GPT-4o can process generate content across multiple modalities according to Google's 2025 AI business trend reports. Multimodal AI is unlocking powerful potential by integrating multi-source information. We have hyper-personalization. Chatbots are becoming increasingly personalized, learning from user behavior preference to tailor responses and recommendation. 70% of business leaders believe AI now outperforms humans in delivering personalized customer service experiences. We also have emotional intelligence. Advanced sentimental analysis allows chatbots to take and respond user emotions, adapting tone and responses accordingly. This capability is crucial for scientific domains like healthcare and financial advisory services. And we have then the most advanced agentic capabilities. Chatbots are going from simple question answer systems to AI agents that can perform complex tasks, execute and make decisions. OpenAI to Assistant API, Responsive API reflect this trend towards more agentic conversation systems. This is also a buzz today. Market growth, the global conversation AI's market is projected to grow from $12.254 million in 2024 to $61.60 billion by 2032 according to a recent market transition. Chatbot market specifically is expected to grow by an additional $1.34 billion in 2025 alone. Best practices for chatbot development. We have designed, so start with clear use cases and user needs, design conversation flows before coding, create a distinct personality aligned with your brand, use visual cues to indicate the broadest processing, always provides an option to reach a human. And we have development, implement proper error handling for edge cases, store conversation history for context, use analytics to track common failure points, rest with diverse user inputs, scenarios, start simple and add complexity incrementally. When we talk about user experience, make it clear users are talking to a bot, not a human. Support multiple input methods where possible. Provide clear onboarding to show what the bot can do. Keep responses concise and focused. Include suggestions for next steps after responses. And when we talk about maintenance, regularly review conversation logs to identify improvement areas, update training data based on user interactions. A by B test different responses to customize engagement, schedule periodic reviews of outdated content, create a feedback loop for continuous improvement. So basically, most successful bots are those which solve specific problems rather than attempting to handle everything poorly. So you can start with focusing use cases and expand as you learn from user interactions. Thank you. I hope you like this about conversational AI chatbot. Let us learn AI together. Bye bye. Hello friends. So today we have discussed about conversational AI and how to build chatbots. So you can build your own chatbot now. And if you have any doubts and comments, please do put in comments AI chatbots. If you like the video, and please do hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to channel AI Code Gyan, please do subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any single day content of our 30-day AI content challenge. And next we'll be talking about future of AI. So please do stick to it and please do watch our videos and share it as much as possible so that everyone can get benefited. Thank you. Bye bye.